what do you think about the new Belt and Road Initiative in very different countries?
Yeah, the Belt and Road Initiative, obviously from a logistics company, we're very much looking forward to it. We believe that it's an area where we are able to provide a quality of service and a value. Obviously with infrastructure, we have an extensive projects department where we can get involved in infrastructure projects. And we have a very wide presence in Asia, and we have 15 entities stretching all the way from Japan down to New Zealand, across to India. So we have a very extensive presence. And so we're looking really for this to be an opportunity for us.
Differentiate as a company from your Asian competitors?
We're a global player. Now there are an awful lot of Asian competitors out there who are offering a very good service, but the differentiation from our perspective, we're a global player. We have our own entities across the world. We're financially stable. That's not to suggest our Asian counterparts aren't, but we have our own facilities in a lot of places. We have our own distribution networks. We have one transport management system that allows us to provide shipment visibility. So against maybe what we would term a local hero, we feel we are offering a different style of service, and we're offering to the major customers, we're offering a lot of value adds at origin and also at destination that maybe some of our more local players aren't able to offer.
With China less growing than in the future, how do you see your perspectives?
We're not market dominant in Hong Kong, South China, so we have opportunity. Yeah, we're getting more involved in the origin value-added services for our clients. We're getting more involved in slimming down their supply chains and talking to them about value of inventory, just about transactional port-to-port freight. We're capable of offering people a service where we can get them into markets using proprietary software. So China sort of perceived to being slowing down. From my perspective, it's a case that we can still grow, and we can grow profitably, which is obviously one of our major goals.
How important is China for Hamburg actually?
Our throughput, 1/3 of our total throughput comes from China or goes to China. So for Hamburg is China included, Hong Kong, the most important partner.
And how is Hamburg gonna profit from the new Silk Road initiative?
The new Silk Road initiative is a very huge and important project. I would say a global project, and we are convinced that we could take part in this project a little bit. We think that we could enhance our cooperation between both countries, and especially both between Hamburg and Hong Kong, or the region around Hong Kong with Shenzhen and Guangzhou.
Hamburg is famous for its Smart Port initiative.
Yes.
What are you going to do in China?
Hamburg is indeed very famous with Smart Port, and this is our main project during these days. And we try to reach total digitalization of the Internet of Things is one headline of this thing, so that everybody is connected to everybody, not only operators, also infrastructure or other information which are necessary. So this is one program which we provided a little bit here also in China, and it is more or less the basic of the idea of the chain port, which connect not only the port for itself with the hinterland connections, also with other ports and their hinterland connections, so that we come over a worldwide chain of ports and processes like the logistic chain.
What are the major advantages of a third runway in Hong Kong?
The three-runway system is extremely important to the Hong Kong development because it is very important to continue to ensure that we have the capability to expand our connectivity to the world. Connectivity is a very important element of Hong Kong's economic development, and because the airport also contributes to major industries in Hong Kong, and therefore we have to continue to invest in the thoroughfare system.
How much is it going to cost, and how long does it take to build a third runway actually?
The project is estimated to be at the cost of 141.5 billion Hong Kong dollars, and it will take about 8 years to complete.
And why has it not been started yet, the project?
In Hong Kong, we have very stringent statutory process that we have to go through. At the moment, we are going through the last stages of the necessary statutory process, and when that is done, we hope that the airport, the construction work, will be able to start sometime next year.